Hi, my name is Oliver and I'm your English teacher. I've taught English for every level and to all ages. Together we will start from the absolute beginner level and will advance to the intermediate level of the English language. In this course, you will learn grammar, vocabulary and communication skills in order to become fluent in English. One of the major advantages of this course is the way the lessons are explained and visually supported by images. This makes learning English an easy and enjoyable experience. The topics we cover in this course are based on real life and everyday situations. During this course, if there are any expressions you don't understand, you have the option to use subtitles. You can measure your performance and progress by doing multiple choice tests after each lesson, which is an extremely efficient technique to make sure you master every subject. Perhaps you might ask yourself, is this the right course for me? I can guarantee you that this course will help you build a strong foundation regarding your English language skills. Even if I can't hear you, I want you to repeat out loud what I will be teaching you. After this course, you will surely have a perfect English accent. Are you ready to start your English lesson? Let's start together.